Good afternoon, friends. Today we are going to discuss about family rutacea. In the family rutacea, it belongs to citrus plants. It is also called as citrus family. It belongs to class Dicotyledone, subclass Polypetalae. It means the petals are free, and the series Disciflori means there is a presence of a disc below the ovary. This red round is showing the disc. Now, what is the morphological description of the family? The plants are shrubs, trees, very rarely herbs. Leaves, fruits, flowers, all floral parts and all plant parts are fragrant in this family due to presence of oil glands. There are ducts that secretes essential oil that give fragrance to the plant. The taproot system is present and highly branched. Stem is aerial, erect, woody. It is branched and the characteristic feature is presence of thorns. Leaf are both ramal and colline, that is present on both main stem and on branches. Alternate arrangement, that is phyllotaxy of leaves. The leaves are pinnately compound. The leaves are pinnately compound but appears unifoliate. एक लीफ जैसी दिखाई देती हैं बट एक्चुअली वो पिन्नेटली कंपाउंड होती है. ट्राईफोलिएट लीफ होती है जिसके अंदर दो ये जो फॉलिएट होती हैं वो रिड्यूस्ड हो जाती हैं. और ये आप सिट्रस फैमिली की किसी भी लीफ को देखना, लेमन की लीफ को आप चेक कर सकते हैं. इसमें ये यहाँ पे विंग्स के फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट होती हैं. दीज आर रिड्यूस्ड leaflets. There is presence of glands in form of dots on the leaves. The leaves are ex-stipulate, that is stipulus, absent, and these are fragrant. Now talk about inflorescence. There is presence of cymose inflorescence and solitary inflorescence in the family. The flower is ebracteate, that is bract is absent. Subsessile, it means the petiole is it means the pedicel is very small. It is complete. All floral parts are present. Bisexual, both male and female parts are present. Regular, it means symmetrical from all the sides. Actinomorphic, can be cut into two half from any side. Pentamerous symmetry is present. Hypogynous ovary is superior with a disc below the ovary. Now first of all, in flower calyx there are sepals. 4 to 5 sepals are present and it is polysepalous or gamosepalous. Both conditions are present. Ovary sepals are inferior and the estivation in sepals is volvate. Now corolla, the petals are 4 to 5 in number. It is polypetalous. Estivation is volvate or imbricate, both, and it is inferior. Now androecium are 8 to 10 in number or indefinite in some plants. Free or polyadelphous, it means present in more than 2 groups. Obdiplostaminous, present in 2 different groups. Attached with the disc of the ovary. Anthers are biathecous. Longitudinal dehiscence in anthers. Now talk about gynoecium. There are 3 to 5 carpels. Usually most common is 5. Polycarpellary condition. Syncarpus, all the carpels are fused. Ovary is superior and it is placed on a disc. That's why it is placed under disciflori. 4 to 5 cell disc is in thickness. There is presence of axile placentation. The ovary is multilocular, more than one locule is present and one ovule in each locule. There is single style of all the ovary is fused to form one style and the stigma is capitate and it is sticky. Fruit is Hesperidium. Hesperidium fruit is found in Rutaceae family. जैसा कि आप लेमन में देखते हैं, इनके अंदर ऑरेंज में देखते हैं जिसमें जूसी हेयर्स होते हैं, that is called as Hesperidium. कैप्सूल, जैसे कि आप इन सोलेनेसी फैमिली में कैप्सूल होता है, दैट इज इन चिली, टोमेटो, ऑल. The seed is non-endospermic. Endosperm is absent. The general floral formula of the family is like should be written in this form. Ebracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, calyx 4 to 5. It may be poly or gamosapalous condition. 4 to 5 पॉलीपेटली क्लास से बिलोंग करता है. इट मीन्स द पेटल्स आर फ्री. एंड्रोशियम इज 8 to 10 present in groups and these are fused, and the gynoecium is 2 to 5 and it is superior and syncarpous condition is found. Now discuss about the flower. Here is the anthers present in groups. This is called as obdiplostaminous. जब एंथर्स ग्रुप में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, फिलामेंट्स फ्यूज्ड हो जाते हैं, सिर्फ एंथर वाला पार्ट स्टेमन में सिर्फ फिलामेंट्स फ्यूज हो जाते हैं, एंथर्स फ्री होते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज obdiplostaminous in more than one groups. Ovary style is single, stigma is capitate in form of cap, and there is presence of a disc at the base. This is ovary. Pentacarpellary, syncarpous ovary, single ovule in each locule. This is ovary wall. We are discussing about here the lemon, fruit of lemon and its flower. Now this is floral diagram. Volvate estivation of sepals, imbricate estivation of petals. In imbricate estivation you can see one outer, one inner, and 3 are in twisted form. Here the anthers and here the stamens we are showing in groups, more than one group. So there is polyadelphous condition. These dots shows the presence of nectaries and glands around the ovary. This is ovary wall and these are 5 locules in the ovary and ovules. So that is all about the rutaceae family. Thank you students.